Exercise 36. Modify the program above to find the animal with the shortest name and its length. Okay. The program above is this one. We'll go through it, then we'll modify it. So this program finds the animal with the longest name. So this is the list of animals that we have used in our previous exercises. Then the variable with the length starts at 0. So the for loop goes through each animal name in the list for animal in my animals. Then if the length of the name of the animal is greater than the current my length, then first we store the name of the animal in a variable called my longest. Then we store the length of the name of the animal in this variable called my length. Okay, so we keep that as the current longest name that we have found. Then in the end we say the longest animal name is my longest and the length is my length. So we can try it out, and it tells us here the longest animal name is rabbit with a length of 6. Okay, so the task here is to modify this program so that instead of looking for the longest, it looks for the shortest animal name. You can change this just for clarity. Okay, so we can change this to a very long name instead of starting at 0. So if the length, and then of course we change this to make it the opposite. So if the length of the animal name is shorter than the current one we have, then that is our current shortest name. Okay, that's it really. So you can try it out. So if we run that, it says that the shortest animal name is dog with a length of 3. Now it did not pick cat or rat because of this condition here. The length of these names is not shorter than this. So if we change this, for example, if we change this to dogs and then we run that, it will now tell us that it's cat because this is the shortest as found, and this one is not shorter than this one. So this condition does not become true. Alright, thank you for watching. Please sign up for our Python lessons at ondevs.com. Please like, please share, please subscribe.